Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can book Interrail reservations. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you will need to do is actually get an Interrail pass, and you can do this by heading over to the Interrail website and coming over to this passes section and purchasing the correct one. From there, when you are buying your pass, you will need to make an Interrail account, and from there you'll be able to log in the top right corner. And from there, you'll be able to see this section that says reservations, and we can simply click view reservations, and then we can click reservation overview. And then as you can see, we have the option to book seat reservations, and we'll be able to do this on the website for 95% of all European trains. And reservations for Italy, France, Austria, Switzerland, Germany, and the Benelux will be sent to you as e-tickets. But you should first check if reservations are actually required, because some high-speed and overnight trains require reservations, which can be made at an additional cost. So if reservations are required or you want to do it anyway, you can book them online, how I just showed you, or you can also do it at a train station. But please note that for some countries, reservations may not be available through the Interrail website. So in that case, you will need to book directly from the railway carrier or via other platforms. So that's exactly how you can book Interrail reservations. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and thanks for watching.